While tensions are still simmering in the state of Manipur after communal clashes had broken down in the state and various people had lost their lives and many were displaced from their homes or were injured in those particular clashes. Now another petition has been moved before the topmost court of the country seeking in fact to go away with the ban that has been put on the internet services in the state. Now remember that the state had put in fact a ban on the internet shutdown was in order to protect in fact rumor mongering taking place and antisocial elements being active in the particular state and to control in fact the spread of misinformation. Now what is very clear in this petition is that this petition has been moved by in fact a businessman and a lawyer based in Manipur, clearly saying that they're not only having problems in accessing the internet and in fact it is an integral part of life, but it is also affecting them economically, socially and also in fact emotionally, is what these lawyers have said in their petition. In fact, it's also been said that the kind of ban that's been put in the state of Manipur is something that is against the television rules which were framed in the year of 2017. Now, what would happen to this matter, whether the Supreme Court vacation bench would be taking it on a very serious note, urgent mentioning would take place in this particular matter, is something that is a matter of time. We'll get to know in the next few days, since the Supreme Court is on its vacations and only urgent mentioning is the way forward for these lawyers if they want the petition to be heard very quickly, unless the matter would come up post the vacation. Now, when the Supreme Court had last heard this particular matter, it had very categorically asked the constitutional authorities in the state to exercise restraint and had very clearly clarified that first, it is a humanitarian issue. The issue of reservations or the whole crux or the basis on which those communal violence are taking place is a second issue and would be dealt on later with, but the first priority for the topmost court of the country and what the government should also be is to help the displaced people, to help the people on a humanitarian ground so that people can actually live and be there with their families and later on the other issues can be dealt with.